Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Tea. And today I like to show you how to install Active Directory on your Windows Server. And before starting this part, I will show you what is the Active Directory and why it is important. If you have a already idea about what is the Active Directory, you can simply skip this portion over there. Well, Active Directory is basically store the user data in a one folder. This is the very simplest way to clarify this part. And one more important thing, you have to maintain a single network to maintain everything. Already I wrote that Active Directory, also referred to as a AD, is a live directory that store account logging data and information on other resources with the network. And then second part is why it is very important. It has a multiple advantages to maintain Active Directory, such as an administrator, you have a information of every user. You can resetting password. There is a many chances to user to forget their the password. So if you have a Active Directory, you can easily maintain that. And second or third part is that you can easily backup security of the data, and you can set the permission and authentication over there. So this is the very simplest way to explain what is Active Directory and why it is very important. Let's see how to install the Active Directory on Windows Server 2009. I am installing it 2019, but you can simply follow this process and you can amplify it on your 2022, 12 or 16. There is a no matter what types or what version of Windows Server you are currently using. Well, when you enter the server manager on the Windows Server, you will see this kind of pop-up, and here you have to select the add roles and feature, and you have to go to the next button and go to the next button and again go to the next button, and here you have to select this option Active Directory Domain Service, and here you have to add the feature where you have to find the Active Directory policies, like it is already check mark the group policies. Go to the next, and again you have to go to the next, and then you press the install button. When you press the install button, it will take some times to install that, so let's wait a bit. When you finish the installation, you will see there is the yellow mark, and check the notification and go to the prom domain controller, and here you will see the three selection. You need to add the new forest, and here you have to select the domain. I have a no particularly domain, but when you working on your company or enterprise level, there is a chances there is a fixed domain. If you want to use here your parent domain, then select the forest section, or otherwise you can choose the additional domain and every other thing. If you have a already existence domain, then other part you can select it and amplify it simply. There is a no problem. Short term, we will talk about in our group policies video and each and everything, where we will be more clarify about this particular topic, what is the forest and another details. So I have a no existence domain or domain controller. I have only one single domain, so I would like to give it like take nt.com and press the next button, and here you have to give the the password. I like to give, press the next button. Okay, again press the next button, and now in that part you will see the verifying the BIOS name or assign the domain, change it if necessary. It will be take some little bit of time, and they automatically generate a name take and t. You can modify it, there is no problem. I would like to put it as simple as like that, so go to the next button, and here you can simply this particular path is absolutely to where you are stored the database or data of the Active Directory. I would like to put it default. If you want to add external folder or external device, you can simply add over there. There's a no problem. And go to the next. I want to put it as simple as like that. And you just check that script and go to the next. And it will take some little bit of time to check. Well, now it will show. Please press the install button and your installation process is start. One more important thing, we add the the domain over there because of all the user, all the thing will be under this domain. So this is very important to understand this logic, because of without this domain you cannot put the all the user in the Active Directory. After editing this domain on your Active Directory and configure it to user computer, you will put it to the one domain, which means you put it the one forest. Well, after install your the all the processes, you will go to the remote desktop. You will see that this is the disable. Just simply click there and allow to remote connection this computer. Just select that. And well, this is the end of your installed Active Directory server. Maybe you will see the remote desktop is still disabled because of my installation process is not complete. So it will take a more and more and time. So I just make my video short. So that's why I'm just showing the process. In that particular process you will completely install the Active Directory. And as I earlier mentioned that I haven't much more times to spend over there, so I just show you how to process the installation to install the Active Directory. You just simply follow those steps, you will be success. And you have to wait a long time to install this Active Directory installation on Windows Server. And after that you will show it in your local server that Active Directory already installed. I hope this is the enough for today. If you have any query or questions regarding this topic, you simply comment it below, or I will give in the description my email and WhatsApp, and also the my Fiverr and Upwork account. If you want to hire me to learn this, or if you have any kind of project regarding this, you can simply knock on my contact list. I will immediately send back your email or messages. There is a no problem. Thank you. This YouTube channel, and where you will get more authentic wisdom about networking, comshare, and also the troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn a lot.